Will guava leaves actually help you lose weight? Tropical guava trees are indigenous to Central and South America, the Caribbean, and Mexico. Its tall, vividly green foliage contrasts with its round, yellow-green fruit. Despite the fact that its fruit is more well known in the West, the plant's leaves are also rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Guava leaves are used as traditional medicine in numerous cultures for a variety of illnesses. Although guava leaves are frequently advertised as a weight reduction aid, does research actually support this claim? We can see several websites and articles that claim drinking guava leaf tea will help you lose weight. However, what does the scientific evidence say? Guava leaf extract can help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, but these findings can't be generalized to all people and don't directly relate to weight reduction. It has been reported that the antioxidants in guava leaves, such as quercetin, gallic acid, and catechins, promote weight reduction by preventing oxidative stress, which is associated with weight gain. However, only very little of these substances are present in guava leaf tea. Furthermore, is there evidence linking these leaves' antioxidant consumption to weight loss? If you switch to guava leaf tea from high-sugar drinks like energy drinks or soda, you may lose weight. Increased weight gain and abdominal fat are linked to diets high in added sugars. Additionally, drinking hot teas, like guava leaf tea, might increase fullness by adding volume to your stomach. Guava leaf tea does have less calories and takes longer to consume than many sugary drinks, which will help you feel full. However, this is actually true of all teas. If you'd like to try guava leaf tea made from dried guava leaves, here's a recipe for you. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried guava leaves to a tea infuser in boiling water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also use fresh guava leaves to brew tea. Wash 5 to 10 fresh guava leaves under cold running water and then add them to 2 cups of boiling water. After reducing the heat, simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain liquid into a mug and discard the leaves. Guava leaves are available in health stores, both dried and fresh. The bottom line is, although guava leaves are frequently touted as helping with weight loss, there is actually no scientific support for these claims. Guava leaf tea has less calories than high-sugar drinks, which may cause weight loss, rather than the guava leaves themselves. Unfortunately, no published research has yet demonstrated that eating guava leaves or drinking guava leaf tea encourages weight reduction. We think it's best to drink guava leaf tea for its flavor rather than counting on it to help you lose weight until additional studies are available. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.